Hi, welcome to math class. Yes, second class of the day, math. Who can remember what we saw yesterday? Yes, maybe you can see it behind the whiteboard maybe, yeah? Look, maybe I've got some numbers, you remember that? And I have two groups of numbers, you remember? I had the even ones and the odd ones. Yeah? Good. Okay. Who can remember which the even ones are? Even ones are all the numbers that finish with a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. Yeah? And the odd ones are the rest of the numbers. The ones that finish in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Yeah? These were the two groups of numbers we saw yesterday. Remember also that we saw that it doesn't matter how big the number is. It doesn't matter if it's a very big number or if it's a very small number. I will always be able to see if it's an odd number or an even number. Yeah? So, if we've got this number, or if I've got this number, we know these numbers. We know 3-digit numbers. We don't know these numbers, do we? That doesn't matter, does it? I don't need to know the whole number to be able to know if it's an even number or if it's an odd number. Yeah? What do I have to look at? Very simple and very easy. And if you remember this, you will never have a problem to identify if it's an even number or an odd number. What do I need to look at? Do I need to look at all this huge number to the left? No, I really don't care about the numbers at the left. What I need to look at and what I care about is this number here, which is in what position? You remember place value? In what place is it? Yeah, that's it. It's in the units place. This guy in the units place tells me no matter if the number is a small number or a very huge number, if it's an even number or an odd number. Yeah? The only thing I have to remember are the digits for the even numbers, which ones are they? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Well done. And which are the digits for the odd numbers? That's it. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, if my first number finishes in a 7, the digit in the units place is a 7. What would my number be? Would it be an odd or an even number? Well done. This guy is an odd number. Yeah? And what about this one? This one is a 1. And what was the 1? In what group was it? Was it in the even numbers or was it in the odd numbers? That's it. This guy is also an odd number. Yeah? So, with these two things, don't forget, first important thing, I need to look at the digit that is in the unit number, and that guy will tell me to what family he belongs. Yeah? And the other thing I have to remember are the digits that go in each family. The digits that go in the even group and the digits that go in the odd group. Yeah? So, we're going to erase here and we're going to go to, to the thing, to the new teaching of the day. You're going to think I'm a bit crazy today, but I'm not. I'm never going to teach you something that is not for you guys, okay? For example, I'm not going to teach you something that is for year 7 or 8 if we are in year 3, okay? Just wait, look, and see. What is this? Multiplication. But miss, we don't know our timetables yet. Or we don't know them that well. How can I do this? How can I do it? There is a magic trick when we still don't know the timetables. You see, I'm super magic. I'm full of magic tricks. Told you. Told you guys at the beginning of the year, didn't I? I'm super magical. There is something that we don't need to know our timetables yet to be able to answer this exercise. If we have to read this, we read it 3 times 8. Yeah? Very easy. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 1 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times 8. And if I don't know how to do that, I don't know my timetables. If I do my drawing correctly, at the end of a drawing, I just have to count the amount of balls, in my case, that I drew. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, I'm missing 1, 2, 4, 6 here. I skipped 1, you see? Let's count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Good. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So, 3 times 8 is 24. Let's do another one. If you do the drawing right, Miss Kim just made a mistake, didn't she? She skipped one of the balls. So remember, I've been telling you every single class, double check your work before you go to the answer. Miss Kim just tried to go to the answer and she realized that something was wrong. She realized she was missing one of the dots. So, check your drawings well. Check that the numbers coincide, go with your multiplication, right? Let's go to another one. Let's go to this one. 2 times 5. Yeah? 2 times 5. 2, 1, 2. And how many do I need to put to the side? Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I have to count all my drawing now, let's double check our work before we try and go and get the answer. 2 times 5. 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. 2 times 5 is 10. Do I need to know my timetables for this? No, I don't. But just because we're starting with this, knowing my timetables without doing my drawings makes my job super fast. It doesn't take time. Once you know your timetables, you don't need to do all the drawing. It just comes out of your head and you just say it. Right? Let's go with another one. This system is good for smaller numbers. Imagine if we had to multiply something like 319 times 67. We could spend years drawing balls. Yeah? That's why when we get to these kind of multiplications, we already know our timetables by heart and we don't need to do all the drawings. Let's go to another one before you guys start working on your own. Give me 1 second, my whiteboard is falling on the floor. Okay. Now, yes. Let's go to a medium one now. What if I need to do, oh, this is a good one. 5 times 3. 5 times 3. So, I've got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5. And each one of these, how many do they have? Yes, they've got 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What do I need to do now? I need to count all my drawings. Yeah? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 5 times 3 is 15. Good. Don't forget, very important in math, you have to be checking your work the whole time. Because if you make a mistake when you're drawing, your answer will have a mistake as well. Yeah? If when you're counting, you skip one, your final answer will not be correct. So, super important, double checking your work. Okay? Check, check, and check again if it's necessary. Because sometimes we make really silly mistakes. Miss Kim just made a super silly mistake, didn't she? She was doing the dots and she skipped one. That happens. And it's fine. But if you take your time and check your work, you will find that there's a mistake and then your answer will not have a mistake. Okay? Now, there are some worksheets I need you to do about this. This has a specific name. This has the name of arrays. Okay? It's a kind of technique that we use to start multiplying. It's without drawings, right? So if on your worksheet this word appears, don't get a fright. He's our friend. Yeah? If you have any problem, any doubt, any question, ask me. I'm here to help you. Write an email, take a picture of the worksheet and say, Miss Kim, I need help in number 3. Can you help me? That's what I'm here for, guys. So, have a lovely afternoon. Do your work. Check your work. Okay? Bye.